Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Toro GrandStand stand-on mower. This mower does come with a 52-inch 7-gauge steel TurboForce cutting deck. There are large front tires. This mower has a Bullnose front bumper. There is a 22 horsepower Kawasaki FX 691V engine. This mower does have a top forward speed of 10 miles per hour. There are heavy-duty back tires. This mower has a 10.5 gallon transparent fuel tank. We have our top controls with the ignition, throttle, choke. There's an hour meter. Coming around to the back of your mower, you do have a flip up platform, as well as an operator cushion. This mower does have a cutting height adjustment of 1.5 to 5 inches. This mower does have a rubber chute. We have our spindles. This mower does have greasable ball bearings. Once again, this is a Toro GrandStand 52-inch mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.